In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to predict capacity in ClickUp using Workload Views 2025. We'll start by getting to the right place in your account. First, log into ClickUp and head into your workspace. From there, open the specific space where your team or department lives. Next, choose the project you want to plan for. This could be a folder or a list, depending on how you've structured your work. Going into the right level ensures the workload view only considers tasks that matter for this plan. Once you're in the project, look toward the top of the screen and open the View options. Select Workload to switch to ClickUp's Capacity Planning view. This view shows you a timeline of upcoming days or weeks and how much work is assigned. If you don't see much yet, don't worry. Capacity is driven by who's assigned and how much time tasks are estimated to take, which we'll set up next. Open Customize View to make the data meaningful. Click Filter to narrow what you're seeing. Many teams filter by status to hide done work or by due date to focus on a specific window. This keeps the board clean and focused on what's upcoming. Next, open the Highlight menu to surface risks. Click Highlight to turn it on so the view visually flags overloads or gaps. Highlights help you instantly spot anyone over capacity or days that are underutilized without hunting through individual tasks. Now make sure the grouping centers on the people doing the work. Click Assignee so the workload stacks by each team member. This is essential for capacity planning because it shows how the total estimated effort per person compares to their available capacity. Finally, click Time Estimates. This tells the workload view to calculate load based on the time set on tasks rather than just counting tasks. If a task is missing an estimate, it won't accurately contribute to capacity, so consider adding estimates to your key tasks and subtasks. If you use subtasks, make sure their estimates roll up so the parent reflects the true total. With filters applied, highlights on, assignee grouping selected, and time estimates enabled, you can now read capacity at a glance. Switch the time frame between day, week, or month to match how you plan. If someone is over capacity, redistribute by moving tasks or shifting due dates. Save your changes to keep this as a reusable planning view and revisit it regularly as work changes. That's how you turn workload into a reliable, proactive capacity forecast in ClickUp.